It's a 2016 Cadillac ATS Coupe. With its masterful blend of power, handling, and luxury, this ATS Coupe was built for the enthusiastic driver. It comes with features you need, and better yet, want. External memory control, dual zone climate control, remote engine start, active grille shutters, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, AM/FM Sirius XM satellite radio, front heated bucket seats, sports suspension, and OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot. Edmunds.com points out, the balance the ATS exhibits comes via a 50-50 weight distribution and well-tuned standard FE2 suspension, including Cadillac's first-ever 5-link independent rear setup. Cadillac embodies a passion for performance, craftsmanship, and innovation. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.